YouTube, what's up? Today, we cut the front end off of Gretal 1.5. That's right, that big ol' honking engine's coming out of that little ass car, and the struggle was real during the entire time. You may be wondering what this is. This is the entire process done by frame and slowed down significantly, so you can watch that as you watch what's going on for what I actually show you guys, and then this is everything in between, all the jazzy jazz that I do for you, you know what I mean, with the voiceovers and the talking and all that. It's just the raw, uncut footage of exactly what the hell process it is. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's not. You'll see moments of frustration and, well, enjoy. All right, what's up? It's Rabble. You should know me by now. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Today, it's removal day of this lovely, fine piece of machinery behind me. The Buick 430 has to come out. Actually, we're just taking the whole front clip off, guys. We're going to completely and utterly remove it and hope for the best here. So, enjoy this video. All right, we've got to remove this entire front clip. That'll release the engine and everything all together in one happy slot where we can then roll it from where it is once I put air in the tires. So first thing we're going to do, this thing is dirty, it's grimy, it's gross, it doesn't matter. We're just going to cut it the fuck out of here. All right, we took the fenders off. They're completely off. Started our cut here. I'm going to run it right down through there. Hopefully separate this thing the way it needs to be separated. All right, guys, we got this cut all the way through. Done and done. Over here, we've got this lower control arm that we're going to have to cut out of it, which isn't a huge deal. The upper one will still be attached. This front end, all we're going to do with it is use it to move this engine around. So now we've just got to continue that motion over here on this side, down through there, and to make this cut happen. Dun, 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 dun. All right, she's completely cut all the way through on this side. We're gonna cycle over looking at the engine here. Looks great. And she's cut all the way through over here too. So, litty titties. It's now time to depart. Now the body did drop while I was doing this, so that's how I know I'm all the way free. I'm going to set some boards up underneath the front of this, let the transmission down, and hope for the best. All right, so here's where we're at, everybody. I've got the engine hoist hooked to the front of the car. We're going to hope for the best here. I'm going to raise it up. We're going to watch it in live action as well as in stop motion that we've got going on down here. I don't know what's going to happen, so we're just going to make it happen and hope for the best. The tool. Now, what I will say is, folks, this here, I built that. This crossbar, this whole cross frame, it's all welded on, ground down, everything's all nicey nice to hold on the radiator. Let's just see. Come on. Come on, old girl. Come on, old girl. You know you wanna be free. Old bitch. She shouldn't be attached anywhere. She's kind of holding up on her own here. So, that brings us to the most dangerous portion to do by yourself. Unhook the tranny. Pretty sure that's what's holding this entire car up right now. So I'm pretty sure the transmission's what's holding the car up right now. It's tied to the roof. I don't think I can get those undone. I don't think I can get those straps undone. So we're going to cut them. And then I just have to buy another tow strap because it's got to go. Or we just cut it and tie it back together because that's what we do around here. So let's detach that bad bear there. Bring this over here. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a problem. The steering's still attached. Let's detach it, shall we? This whole steering rod down in here. We can get our big old body down in this little mix here. Because I don't, well, maybe the Sawzall will go through it. This, I don't think, is going to fit without cutting that oil pan. Woo! She on fire. She on fire. All right. Got another plan. I don't want to disappoint you guys. That's, you know what I mean? I don't want to disappoint y'all who came here to see a front end get removed. So in which case, I think we do this the old-fashioned way. For any of you guys who don't know the old-fashioned way, we're going to drag this back about 10 feet on top of whatever this chain's going to give us. And then we're going to Hanyak it out of here as best we can. Okay, we've got the metal pieces under the wheels. Let's give her a jack or two, huh? Let's see if we can get you guys a little bit more so you can see what the hell we're doing here. Whoop. Okay, where'd my tool go? Where's my bar? My big old bar, you know what I mean? The one old bar. All right. Ooh, shit like that. Come on. Overextend them shocks. What? Still holding you on, old girl? That's the real question. Didn't be much of nothing. All right. She's off, sort of. Now what is holding on back here? There shouldn't be a damn thing besides this flat ass tire. Looks like we solved the problem here. With my knowledge base. Another small cut. Where's my swizzle? We need to make one more small cut. Very small, actually. Oh, there's my tush. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the show. Alright.
I felt it when I let loose.
I bet. Well. This tire is flatter than that. Over here. Hey babe, I'm going to trust a lot of faith in you. I need you to stand on this as hard as possible. Jump right on it. Belle, you too. The three of you guys weighing that down should be enough for me. Stick my hands under here. Oh, I'm fucking gonna shit myself. Alright, so it is completely detached. Now I've got to get it out from in there. So I've lowered the chain to the bottom rung here. My attempt, if I can unbury this thing, well, she's fucking buried, is that now I can go higher on the lower part of the car in hopes it'll pick her up out of here. What are we smashing? All right, so the front end is officially detached. However, running out of daylight, I've got a birthday dinner to get to for my niece. But we did get this completely cut off, completely handled. And so the next move is moving everything. So we're going to get our buddy over here with his truck. We're going to hook a chain to this, drive it out. We're going to hook a chain to the X-frame, drive that out, get the body off of it, and then, well, hell, it'll be time to put this body on that frame. So until next time, guys, stay amazing, stay supportive, and stay unique.